Good afternoon. Yeah, it's about 1 o'clock. We slept in this morning. We needed it. We came home around 4:30 yesterday, something like that. We walked around all of Florence in the middle of the night. It was beautiful. But today is a very special day because it is somebody's birthday. I put these little guys up. But hey, you know what? Guess what?
What?
It's a birthday! Yay!
Not doing my nails.
We're gonna go and find the best burrata of our lives. At least that's the plan, to try and find it and have some nice burrata and eat and walk around and just do whatever the hell this girl wants to do. You know, if she tells me to scream it's her birthday at the top of my lungs in the middle of a piazza, I will do it because it's her birthday.
Jump now.
What?
Jump now.
Jump. No. Oh, like, okay, sorry, I'm by the window. That makes it sound like you want me to jump out the window.
Love it. Love it.
It's like Simon Says, but Priya says today.
Yeah.
That's what today is gonna be. Alright, let's go. So Priya has been hit on for the first time by an Italian man.
If anyone wants to call, here you go. He was not that pretty though.
He did have a suit on, so you know,
Yeah.
and we are in the most expensive street in Florence, so
And he said my face is amazing. Amazing.
what a good thing to have on your birthday, babe. Well, you do look gorgeous today. Hello.
Thank you.
You cannot see me at all. Priya, much less. But we are off to the drinks on a rooftop. We've got an all dressed up. Priya looks gorgeous for her birthday. And then we're gonna have some drinks on a rooftop at a hotel and then see where the night takes us, right? How fancy our evening gets or not. Depends.
Or how crazy maybe.
Yeah. Remains to be seen.
Yes.
I've got the birthday cards here that I still have to write. Because it's hard to write when you live together 24/7 and trying to hide away. So I might have to write it in the bathroom at the hotel.
You could have just told me to be like,
turn around and close your eyes. Well, no, there's no fun in that. So, anyways, to figure that out, and I'm gone. Bye bye. But see you at this beautiful hotel. Bye. You ready to do this? Yeah.
You're not gonna call her?
Yep. I will, but we don't know yet, so I'll call her when it needs to be.
Okay. Let me check. Oh, ze heeft al geschreven, ook op leuk. Oké, lieve Priya, gefeliciteerd. Op nog vele cocktailavondjes en avonturen. Ik hoop dat je niet bang bent voor hoogtes. Oké. Hi boy, I cannot believe this is the second birthday I get to celebrate with you. The last one was incredible. The last year has been incredible with you. I'm so grateful to have you as my travel partner. Yeah, same. Boy, have you had some adventures? Yes, indeed. Hooray to more Mir. Hope you enjoy your birthday present. It's an adventure itself. An honor will be invention and it's surprise itself. Love you so much. Happy 23 birthday, my love, Marianne. Love it. I love it. Thank you.
Okay. Hello. This is a very creepy Marianne voiceover now because this moment is actually a moment where I called our friend Mathilde, who was giving Priya'S present together with me. So she was back in the Netherlands, so we thought it'd be fun to call her while I was giving the presents for her to be able to see Priya'S reaction at the same time. However, I screen recorded it, but I thought screen recording recorded the audio, but clearly not, as you can see. So now you have this beautiful voice that is going to be narrating everything that's happening. But pretty much, we just told her how we were having some pizza and a bottle of wine on the main square in Florence, because by the time we finished all our drinks on the rooftop terrace of the beautiful hotel, all the restaurants were closed and this was the only option for food. So our fancy evening took a turn, but we were just as happy with our bottle of wine and our very, very yummy pizza. Met the owner and some fun people after that as well. But anyways, we gave Priya her present, and as you see, she was really, really happy with it. She actually got a abseiling present, so it was going down a 100-meter tower in the city of Rotterdam in the Netherlands, and abseiling down it, free-falling kind of in a way. And I apologize for all my phone's notifications as well during this video. I was enjoying my pizza while filming, to be fair. But yeah, so we did that when we got back to the Netherlands. Priya absolutely loved it. It was a great time and a really fun activity to do. You know, we like giving experiences, and yeah, Mathilde and I were really happy to be able to give her that, and clearly she really enjoyed the surprise of it, as you can see from this beautiful video with my voice in the background. So anyways, on to continued shenanigans of the evening. Let's go!
I feel like a child.
Yeah, I'll take it. Okay.
One. Whoa.
I love it. I'm living out my best childhood dreams. Yeah.
Hello, good morning, beautiful. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, good morning. Thank you. Oh my god, you're really here. is it? Oh my god, I love this. Oh, thank you so much for coming. Sit.
How are you two both doing?
Oh, I'm so tired still from yesterday.
What happened like yesterday?
Good
morning! Alright, so last night was a bit of a late one. Celebrated Priya'S birthday, and this morning, as you will have just seen, or will be seeing, I surprised Priya with one of our friends, Eduarda, who's right here. Yeah, she surprised Priya coming to Italy, and she had no idea, and it was the hardest thing to keep a secret. I have been stressing for a week, but she's here now. We've just been chatting and getting ready, and we're gonna go out for some lunch. I'm feeling pasta because I'm slightly hungover from last night. We came home around 5:30 in the morning. Some of us had more fun than others with our evening. Some of us came home alone, and some of us did not come home alone. Yeah. Anyways.
Another birthday present for myself.
Another birthday present indeed. Gift wrapped and everything. But yeah. And let's just see where the day takes us. We have a walking tour booked at 4:30, which I'm really excited for. It's a Medici and Renaissance tales, because we've been walking around Florence not knowing what everything is. So now we're gonna be able to say, oh, this is this, and have a bit of context to it. So, ooh, my arm's hurting from just holding this phone. Jeez. Anyways, to lunch!
Come on, it's easy. Oh, this family use porcupines. In Italian, someone of you can speak Italian. And because we are in front of a baptistry. And the baptistry was the symbol of the city. So even the new cathedral had to stay in front of the baptistry. But this was a problem. This was, okay, iron making, wine making. These are jobs for this stuff. These are jobs, professions. So the king. Why Medici use this symbol? Because the last name, Medici, in Italian language, means doctors. His family. He could meet here if he was a friend of his family, for example. Decorations are in the corner. And why this street was so important? Well, the street was so important because during the Middle Ages, a horse competition took place here. Why here? Because there were the towers. Towers, balconies. The only way to survive and to watch the show was to stay on the balconies, because fences didn't exist, right? Race, horse competition in Italian language is corsa.
Different business owners, or the guilds, yeah, the crest of the guilds. to being here together.
Yeah,
Yes.
exactly.